Good morning, New Jersey. Nasty's Boards and Bass Report coming to you from Seaside Park. We have 2 foot leftovers from the blizzard of 2022. We got a west wind at 15, some 20-mile-an-hour gusts. It's supposed to go down a bit, the wind. You may have a little longboard wave, but I guarantee the water's 42. At least we have a wind chill going right now at about 15. Temperature is about 30. So it's chilly, full gear, whatever you got, you need it. But there's a little wave to be had. Beautiful day, snowy beach day. Beautiful day out here. Get out and shovel. If you live at the beach, you'll be shoveling today. All right, forecast is for waves pretty much go flat. Pretty much. All right, so let's keep your vibrations high and your stoke even higher. I'll do an update, maybe from a surf spot up here in Seaside. Peace out.